Hello and welcome back to Everyday Cocktails. Today we're going to go through a new cocktail we've devised, and we've called this cocktail the Black and Navy. Okay, for the Black and Navy we need 4 basic elements. We need 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of sugar syrup, our rum of choice, and Guinness. So making the Black and Navy, the black is the Guinness and the Navy is alluding to the Royal Navy, and it's the rum. Now when I was in the Navy we had one of 2 rums we always used to drink. That was Puss's rum and Woods 100 Old Navy rum. Now we're using Woods today, but be careful, this is 57%, very strong, so go easy. So first of all we chill the glass, make sure we've got ice in there to chill the glass down. Then we go into our shaker and we put ice into our shaker. Then we add our 1 ounce of lime juice, and to that we add our sugar syrup. Again, this is 1 ounce of sugar syrup. Oh, a bit over there, but that'll do. And then we add our Woods 100 Old Navy rum, and we'll have 2 ounces of this. We then give it a good shake, mix up the sugar, the lime and the rum. Right. Through our chilled glass we then pour 1 measure. This does 2 people, so this is 1 measure. So we have our Guinness, canned is fine. Let that settle out, and we add our single measure. We give it a stir, and there we have it, our summer long Guinness and rum cocktail, which we call the Black and Navy. Cheers. Excellent.